students. In previous class, already we started exercise 1.2. In that exercise 1.2, one sum I given homework for you according to the place value and face value. Okay, once again I will take out that one. For example, if you take a number like this, okay, I want to know the face value and place value of 5. Okay, one number is given to you, just they will underline it to you. Okay, they will underline by asking the question. Okay, identify the place value of 5 or face value of 5. Okay, place value and face value and face value. We want to calculate and we have to do the some addition or subtraction according to their question. Okay, first identify the face value. Face value is nothing but which number is available, which digit is available, that only we can call face value. Okay, that means for example, what is underlined here? 5. 5 only we can call face value. Itself only we can call which digit is underlined there. That only we can call the face value. Okay, face value of 5 is 5 only. That is face value of 5 is 5 only. Next, place value of 5 equals, place value means we have to follow the Indian system. According to Indian system, we have to take the place value. So again, by taking the Indian system, how we can take the places from right side onwards? We have to start ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, 5 is located at 1000 place or 100 place. Once again, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 5 is located at 100 place. So we can write 5 into 100. Whichever is that one, we multiply to place. That means 500. Otherwise, we have to take 5. After 5, how many digits are there? 2 digits. 2 zeros we can take. Okay, we have to take 5. Okay, after 5, how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. So we can take 2 zeros beside the 5. For example, I take one more example. Okay, for example, I take in here, like this question is given to you. What is the place value of 7? Face value of 7. Okay, place value equal to 7. Beside how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. Place means we have to follow Indian system. Place, P-L-A-C-E. Place means we have to follow Indian system. Okay, for example, for this number I want to write here face value. Face value equal to which number I required for 8. I want to know the face value. Face value is 8. Like that only how to complete. Okay, last class exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2, fourth question we will complete now. If anybody completed that question, you can check once after completion of this one. I will explain again that one. Okay, you have to check yourself. What is the question there given? In 8, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 2. Difference of place value of place and face value of 6. Okay, they are given 2 6s are there. Each one we want to calculate. 2 6s are there. Any one we can calculate according to after the question. Otherwise, they will especially underline like this. For this only face value, place value, find and take difference. Difference is nothing but subtraction. Okay, for example, in the textbook they underline 2 numbers. Then for this you have to take place value, face value. For this number you have to take face value, place value. Okay, later we can subtract. Okay, first question I will do this one. First one. For this number I want to take face value, place value. Otherwise we can take this one also. Our starter. Okay, 6, 4, 5, 6. For this I want to find out first 9, 2. Okay, what is the place value? First we have write place value of 6. Place value of 6 equal to place value of 6 equal to 6. 6 this side how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits we have to write here. Okay, underline and this side how many digits are there? 3 digits. So 3 digits 0. Next we have face value. Face value of 6. Face value of 6 is 6 only. Face value of 6 is only 6 only. Now we have to take a difference. Face value of 6 is 6 only. Now take difference. Difference is nothing but difference. Difference is nothing but subtract these two numbers. 6, 0, 0, 0. Okay, only face value 1 digit only. 1 digit means we have to write it ones place only. This is ones place only. Ones place below only we have to write. Now take subtraction. Borrowing subtraction again. Okay, take borrow from the 6. Okay, this becomes 5. Okay, this becomes this is taking borrow starting number. This is 10. What about taking numbers? 9. That means if this 0 borrow from this number and give to this one. So this one. This number borrow is from to given to the ones place. So less one. Write 10 here. 10 minus 6. 4. 9. You have to take side of this. 9 over here. 9 you have to write. Here 9. 5. This is the answer. For example, if I take another one more question is given there 8, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 2. 5, 6, 8, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. This 6 is underlined here. Then what is your place value? Place value hardware. Place value of 6. Place value of 6 equal to 6 is hardware. This is how many digits are there? 6 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros hardware. 3. 6 zeros are written. Next, face value. Face value of 6. Face value of 6 means 6 only. Here 6 means 6. The other number is there means other number is hardware. Now difference. Difference means we have to subtract it. 6 beside 6 zeros. 6. Okay, 6 we have to write 6 here. 6 digits don't think like that. 6 beside 6 digits are there. That's why I written. So actually, what is the place value of this one? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 60 lakhs it is. 60 lakhs minus 6. 60 lakhs minus 6. Now take borrow from 6. Okay, starting number this is 10. Okay, what about the remaining digits? These will become 9. Okay, 10 minus 6, 4, 9, 9, 9, 5. This is the answer. Okay, if already some members completed that sum, okay, check once. If you completed it, check once. Okay, we go for the Indian system completed integration system. Indian system is used in our country only. India only they will use. Okay, especially for Indian people, design the Indian system. Indian system also we can call it Hindu-Arabic system. Okay, now we will go for the worldwide universal number system. What is that one? International number system. International system we can call simply. Okay, this is used in worldwide. Okay, military country will follow this one. Okay, if you want to deal with other countries with the numbers, then we will follow the international system only. Okay, while in the Indian system, we have some places. ones, tens, hundred, like that. We have in Indian system also some places are there. What are the places? First we have to know the groups. Groups. What are the groups in Indian international system? We have. Here also we have unit group. Unit group. Later we have thousand group. Later we have thousand group. Later we can have million group. Million group. Later we have billion group. Okay, after this one we have another. Okay, later trillion is there. No need that one. Proper billion. Okay. What are the groups available in international system? Unit group, thousand group, million group, billion group. Unit group, thousand group, million group, billion group. Okay, if you go for the every group, in Indian system, first group only having 3 digits. Later every group having 2 digits. Already we know that. But in the international system, every group having 3 digits. Every group having 3 places. Every group having 3 places. What are those places? Ones, tens, hundred. Here also 3 digits are there. 3 digits are there. Okay, what we can call those? Okay, these are ones group, tens group, hundred group. Every time they will repeat. Here, thousand group, 10,000 group, 10,000 group, 100,000 group, 100,000 group. Okay, every group having 3 places. Okay, related to ones, tens, hundred only. But those names will start with them. Which group we are writing, that only have to write first. For example, for this same million group. Okay, million group, 10 million group, 10 million group, 100 million group, 100 million group. Similarly, billion group also same. Billion group. Okay, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Okay, these are the places available in international system. By writing international system, for example, I take one number here. Like this number is given to you. We have to place commas. Whenever you want to use the any system, we have to insert commas first. Okay, between the numbers. By placing commas, we have to start from the right side. Okay, right side on the top. We for each group how many digits are there? 3 digits. That means simply you can identify. For every 3 digits after we will give place comma. In international system, for every 3 digits after 1, 2, 3. For every 3 digits after we have to place comma. Okay, 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Here 1 digit only, no need to place comma after this one. 2 digits are there, no need. That means ending only. Ending only, no need. For example, one number like this. Like this number is done. Place comma 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3. No need to place comma because this is your ending. Ending now, no need. Okay, according to international system, how many groups are there? Unit group, thousand group, million group, billion group. Every group having how many places? 3 places. We have to practice this one. Then only we can understand. We can remember. Okay, unit group having 3 places. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. Thousand group also having 3 places. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, million group also having 3 places. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Next, billion group also having 3 places. Billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. This is the international system. According to that one, we have to do the exercise also. Okay, for example, if you take here, for example, we will discuss in a Bold textbook. In the Bold textbook, this is the exercise 1.4. 1.4. That means if you are having old textbook and new textbook, both having the same syllabus only. But what is the new there? New textbook means some new is there, will be there. What is that one? They modify the questions. Okay, for example, Ramu got 20 marks in here. They will give another sentence. Just names will be changed. Okay, so no need to confuse that one. Okay, now we will start the exercise related to the first chapter, exercise 1.4. Okay, see here. Page number 10. This exercise is related to old textbook only. Some members did not have the new textbook. That's why I am repeating the textbook related to the exercise 1.4 in old textbook. Exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4. First question. What is the first question? Write the number. Write the number using commas. Using commas to and words. Writing words. Using commas according to international system. International system of numeration. Numeration means no need to confuse. Just write the number in words. Yeah. Okay, what is the number is there given? That one is hard to write in words. What is the question? Write the number using commas according to the international system of numeration. What is the first question here? First question: 9 7 6 4 5 3 1 5. This is the number given to you. Okay, we have to place commas. Place commas. Okay, use commas. We have to use commas. Okay, first we use commas means we have to take number. What is the number here given? 9 7 6 4 5 3 1 5. Okay, while we are in the international system, while placing the commas, starting from the right side. From right side only how to start. Okay, count the numbers. 1 2 3. 3 days of every 3 days. No need to remember this one. Blindly remember. Every 3 days after we will get comma in the international system. 1 2 3 comma. 1 2 3 comma. Complete. We have 2 days only to the last days. Okay. Now numeration. Numeration. Okay, what? Numeration nothing but words we told. So understand one only. I am ready. In words. In words. Okay, which number is there given? That one is 100. 6 4 5 3 1 5. And where you got comma? Those you have right. Where you got comma, there you have to draw a line. Where you got a comma, there you have to draw a line. We have to write the groups here. What you have to write? Groups. What are the groups here? Unit group, thousand group. Thousand group after million or billion? Million. Okay, these are the groups. Unit group, thousand group, million group. If you want to write the base values, means you can write 1 to 10 to 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Like that also you can write, no problem. But groups, if you remember visually, you can write. What is the million place now? 97. 97. 97. 97 97. What is the place group here? Million. 97 millions. 97 millions. What is the thousand place? Thousand group having 645. 645. 645. What is the group diagram? Thousand. 45 thousands. Thousand. This is located at thousand place. So thousands I am written. What is the last one? 315. 300. 350. 350. This is the solution for the first one. Okay, next we go for the next question. In this problem, second question. What is the second question here? 2004841. Okay, use commas first. Use commas. In which system you have to understand? Particularly they will ask you international system. Then only we go for the international system. 2004841. From direction onwards, you have to take commas. How many days after will get comma? Every 3 days after. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Every after every 3 days will get comma. Okay. Later in watch. In watch. What is the number here? That number we have to copy again. What is the number there? That is the number we have to copy again. Where you got comma, those you have to place commas here. Later draw a line. Draw a line here. Now we have to draw the groups. What are the groups here? Unit group, thousand group, later million group. Now we can write the words. What is the million group having? 20 million. 48 is located at thousand place. 28 million. 48,000. 421. 421. Like that we can write it. Okay, we have to do the homework. What are the homework? For these two numbers we have to write. International system. 476356. For this international system, right? And one more sum is there. 949002684. For these two numbers, we have to write the international system and Indian system. First write international system for each number. Later write the Indian system. Write in words.